Hey guys, welcome back to my channel DK Blogs. So today I'll be telling about how to become a pilot in India. So I'm sure you like the video, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. So let's start it. So there are two paths we are following which you can become a pilot. So for the first part is conventional path, and the second one is cadet program. So today I'll be telling about conventional path, and I'll be making a separate video for the cadet program. So for conventional part, you need to have your class 2 and class 1 medicals. Then you can apply for computer number. Then you can join a flying school. You can do your flying there, and you can clear your DGC papers. I personally recommend you to clear your DGC papers beforehand, so that there is no delay in you getting your CPL license. Then you can do your typewriting. And those of you who do not know about typewriting, I'll be making a separate video for typewriting, so you can do your typewriting or wait for job vacancies. So I have given a brief introduction of conventional path, but those who are thinking of flying from abroad, they can, but you need to have your license conversion from foreign license to Indian CPL. But you need to give a few exams. They are air meteorology, air navigation, air regulation, and RTR if applicable. So after your CPL license done and your typewriting done, you can apply for job vacancies, or you can apply for job vacancies before doing your typewriting. Then when you get job, then the company will ask you to do typewriting on the aircraft which the company wants, or you can do your typewriting before getting job on the aircraft which you think that job vacancy may come in this aircraft. So you can do your typewriting, and after your typewriting done and you get job, you can start flying. So the cost involved. So for CPL license, you can take almost 35 lakhs, and for typewriting you can take almost 15 lakhs. Then for the airline training, you can take almost 10 to 15 lakhs. So the total cost will take almost 60 lakhs for this conventional part. Then you can become an airline pilot. So you can. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like it, subscribe my channel, share it, and thank you.